In this video, I'll color in the hair, create the eyebrows, and add some stubble to the face. I'll start the hair by adding a fill layer and sampling my hair color. The roughness value can be adjusted to reduce the specular. Then I'll add a paint layer and work on the hairline with one of the fiber brush presets. Since my reference guy has his hair trimmed very short, we should see the scalp below and in between the hair clumps. Next, I'll create a new group for my hair layer and apply a black mask. I'll apply a fill to the black mask and apply the baked curvature map. This breaks up the hair visibility and exposes the scalp below. I'll add a levels modifier and test a few settings. Now I'll work on the eyebrows. Starting with a fill layer, I'll apply a color that matches the hair. Then I'll add a black mask. I'll be using a stencil to apply the eyebrows, so let's enter projection mode. I cropped this eyebrow texture directly from one of my high-res images, then made it grayscale and adjusted the levels. I'll drag this image into the grayscale input of my fill layer mask to bring up stencil mode. Then I'll carefully align the eyebrow to the face using both my camera navigation and my S hotkey controls. Since I only made a left eyebrow, I'll turn on symmetry mode to mirror my strokes. We can also work with a height channel to give the brow a raised effect. From a distance, the eyebrows look a bit too sparse, so I'll create a fill layer just below the brow and paint in some thickness. Next, I'll paint in some light facial hair using a few of the brush presets. Starting with a dark fill layer and a black mask, I'll use the Spots spray brush to create short stubble. Increasing the brush spacing will make the stubble appear at a lower frequency. Then I'll switch to the Fibers Sparse brush to create longer hairs. This brush creates a bit too much clumping, so I'll manually reduce this with a paint modifier.